We'll guide you through how to fix the Wi-Fi adapter missing in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as it means you're unable to use the Wi-Fi and the internet. So let's get into some different fixes. First of all, you want to make sure you've got your Wi-Fi drivers installed. To go and do this, you can go and plug your laptop into Ethernet temporarily. You can go and open up a web browser. Now you can go and search for your laptop, make and model and Wi-Fi drivers, or you can search for your motherboard and the Wi-Fi drivers as well. So for example here, I've typed it in before, I've got an MSI Pro X670p motherboard, so I'll search for the Wi-Fi drivers for that. I can then come to the MSI site, make sure you come to the official site, and you can scroll down and go and click on driver, and we can then go and select LAN drivers. And we can then go and get the Wi-Fi drivers here. I'll select the zip and I'll go and extract it. And then what I can do is go and install the drivers. I've run the setup installer and I'll press install and they'll now be installed. If it does, then great. However, if it doesn't, don't worry, or maybe you can't get access to the internet. For the next way, click on search at the bottom and you need to go and type in services like so. Now you need to go and scroll down to W and first of all, find WLAN auto config, right click on it and click properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure that it's running right now, then press apply and go and press OK. You can do the same thing for WLAN auto config as well. You can right click on it and click on properties, go and set it to automatic and we can go and start it running now. Go and see if that solves the problem. For the next method, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom and open up your settings. Come over to the left and select Network and Internet, and then scroll down and go and find Advanced Network Settings. You want to find the option Network Reset and go and click there. And then what we can do is go and reset it. So this will go and refresh everything and your PC will also be restarted as well. So you can come over to the right and press reset now, press yes, and you can start the process. It's super simple and go and see if that solves the problem. For the last method, you can try doing a power flush. You can go and research into this, but a brief explanation to how it works is that you go and unplug it from the power and if possible, remove the battery. Hold down the power button for 20 to 30 seconds to drain out the power, and then if you took the battery out, put it back in and turn it back on and go and see if that solves the problem. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.